You have remained sober this entire time.
Yeah.
I am so proud of you. I am so gosh darn proud of you, Mr. Boatman.
Thank you.
We will go on the record in the matter 22 CF 103, State of Wisconsin versus Richard Boatman Jr. The state appears through Department of Corrections agent Gretchen Anibis. We also have Mr. Richard Boatman Jr. appearing. They both appear by telephone conference, or excuse me, Zoom. We're set today for the probation review hearing. Mr. Boatman, we're here for a probation review hearing. We had one previously. You didn't appear. The court did issue a cash bond warrant. You paid that. Yep. That money went to restitution, which is great. But in my records and from what I've been receiving, you haven't been making any restitution payments or any payments whatsoever. Am I misunderstanding something, Gretchen?
How much do I still owe?
Oh, you don't owe I can't recall.
I thought I
Let's
paid
see.
it all off right when I got out because I got the money from my mom and my dad passing away.
According to my records, Your Honor, I don't have any restitution. I have court costs.
I wonder how much court costs and fees. You had restitution of $3,284.90.
Yeah, you could call my probation officer there in Burnett County. I mean,
literally, she's right here, so we're good. Well, not literally, because she's by Zoom, but I need to pull up and figure out this new financial thing. Are you trying to figure that out too? CCAP, our computer system, has now transferred our financial system into this new fandangled system.
Oh.
Because Ms. Anibis, you are saying that on your end you do not see any restitution?
Not owed. The last payment I have of restitution paid was 11/3 of 23, which was a payment of $3,134.90.
Oh, that's what you're seeing was paid?
Yes.
Oh.
And I just have court costs for him.
And how much in court costs are you seeing?
$1,900.49.
$1,900.49, and now there's $500 that's been paid. I'm not seeing. Okay, now with court costs and fees, how are you going to make sure you're going to get that paid off?
I will start paying it right away then.
All right.
I didn't even know I had those fees. And I am sorry I missed my last court date. I been working a lot and it just slipped my mind. And I never got no notification or nothing in the mail or anything, or I would have called you. I'm sorry it took so long.
Okay. I appreciate that, Mr. Boatman. Now we're going to get down to business because, I want you to pay that, and I want to know, first I'm going to find out when you were convicted, April 17th, 2023. I put you on probation with an imposed and stayed prison sentence. When does his probation discharge?
7/10/28.
7/10/28. All right. So, Mr. Boatman, what I'm going to want to see from you. Well, first, you're working. That's good. I'm glad to hear it.
Thank you.
Honestly, it sounds like with that and with the fact that you're working, that you've been making some really positive changes in your life.
Yeah, you should see all the stuff I have now. I have my dad's boat. I bought it, my brother's half from him. It's fully mine. I have four-wheelers, snowmobiles, all kinds of stuff now. My own vehicles. Me and my girl have this house that we rent from her mom, who I still work for her mom, Salome. And you could call my probation officer. I've been doing really good. He said that I was doing so good that he dropped my probation down, and he said I was the fastest person in Crow Wing County history to get my probation dropped down.
Mr. Boatman, I'm going to tell you, I am so proud of you. This is not the Mr. Boatman that was sitting in my jail for over a year. That was with that incident and how that occurred and with where you were. Yeah, I'm looking at this right now. I had you in jail for 450 days. 450 days you were in custody.
Yep,
under me.
I sat in Barron County.
And this case was a very serious case. And I'm gonna be blunt. I'm gonna be honest. You were not in your right mind.
Oh no, I was not.
And here today, I am hearing a man who has made significant changes in his life. And it sounds like you're completely sober. It sounds like you are completely responsible, like you're building a life, like you want to be an example to people. You want to be a contributing.
To my son.
Exactly. How awesome is that?
I have had Jesse too. I'm supposed to pick him up tomorrow after my PO meeting.
That's awesome. I'm so glad to hear that. And to know that you're being able to get your son back in your care and custody is so awesome and amazing to hear, Mr. Boatman. It so truly is. How many days have you been sober, or how long have you been sober?
Well, I was arrested June. It was July 15th of 2022. I was arrested, so almost 3 years now.
You have remained sober this entire time.
Yeah.
I am so proud of you. I am so gosh darn proud of you, Mr. Boatman.
Thank you.
Okay, so now with regards to paying off your fines and fees, because I want to make sure that they get paid off and that you're able to discharge out of probation. And it sounds like you're doing leaps and bounds of what you need to do, and you're going above and beyond. So if DOC recommends or they agree with and they think that you should discharge early, it sounds like I have no reason to even oppose that. So I want to make sure that you have your fines and fees taken care of, and that we get a plan and that you're going to pay it. Okay. So would you be able to pay $150 a month? Is that doable?
Yep.
All right. So $150 a month. And Ms. Annabis, you're the one collecting, correct? DOC is collecting?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So Mr. Boatman, $150 a month, start paying to DOC and pay that down. Okay.
Would I be able to just go right up here to Brainerd, to the Crow Wing County Jail? Could I just pay it there every month? Or do you want me to send it to Wisconsin?
I don't know that answer.
If I, at the end of this, could get an updated phone number, I can text you the information and you can pay it right online.
Oh, okay, cool.
All right. Excellent. So you both take care of that and you handle that. And I am so proud of you. I am unbelievably so proud of you, Mr. Boatman.
Thank you.
All right. You take care, and I will, hopefully I will be able to see you before you discharge, and I'll get some even more uplifting information from you.
All right, cool. And I saw Gabe walk in. Thank you for everything you did for me, Gabe.
You're very welcome, Richie. It's good to see you. I'm glad things are going well.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. We are adjourned.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You too. All right. Angel Morgan. We don't have Miss Morgan. I don't know who we have from DOC. Miss Thayer went away.
Yeah, so I was going to let the court know there was some technical issues in the jail. We couldn't hear each other.